The National Weather Service in Lubbock has issued a flash flood warning for southern Crosby County in northwestern Texas, northwestern Garza County in northwestern Texas, southeastern Lubbock County in northwestern Texas, northeastern Lynn County in northwestern Texas, until 11 p.m. At 8:56 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Slayton, Carlsbad, Rawls, Lorenzo, Ransom Canyon, Calgary, Caprock, Southland and Buffalo Springs. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.